my bath. Oh!
Not to be surprised to nothing.
Yes, he does.
150 liters.
Hey.
Really? Oh, let's go. Oh my god.
What you doing, Karen?
I'm cleaning elephant poo and leftover elephant food. We're cleaning their pen. Alright, are you ready?
I'm ready to watch you go in. So our wonderful doctor at the travel clinic, Dr. Kessler, he just felt a great disturbance in the force just now because he's the one who said, "You're not going to be swimming in any rivers like in Thailand or anything, are you?" And we just jumped into a river in Thailand.
River where elephants have been pooping.
Yeah. I wasn't going to tell him that part, but we saw elephants pooping in this river before. But, you know, if you've ever swum in any river or in any ocean, animals have pooped in it, so. Sorry, Dr. Kessler. Thanks.
Much fun.
Thanks for all the shots. I like when the current does all the work.
This is super fun. I like this kind of thing. In the U.S. you can't do this.
No.
Any rules.
Yeah, I mean, we did sign a disclaimer in a very U.S. fashion.
That's true.
The elephant's gonna are late, so they each have one time. So maybe on the other side of the table. Yeah,
So active.
Oh, okay. No. Yes.